Conversation between two friends about what a busy day. Hi, Sally. How are you today? Hi, Carrie. I have so many things to do today. What do you have to do? I have to do several loads of laundry, vacuum the whole house, clean the kitchen, change the pillow cover, as well as bedsheet, cook for lunch, do the dishes. Oh my God. That is a lot of stuff to do. Why don't you do some of that tomorrow? My mother-in-law is coming tonight. I completely understand. She likes a very neat and tidy house. I know what you mean. My mom is very clean and organized too. I should have started a few days ago, but I was so busy at work. Why doesn't your husband help you? He did help me. He mowed the lawn, cleaned all of the bathrooms, and set up the guest room yesterday. Wow. He did a lot too. Your husband seems very understanding and helpful. You are right. He is really nice and caring husband. I am so lucky to have him. I also have to go grocery shopping. What a busy day. Do you need any help? No. That's okay. I am not busy today. I can help you. Really? Could you go grocery shopping for me? I have already made my shopping list. Of course. You can pay me back when I drop off groceries. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That is what friends and neighbors are for. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.